Let's do part B. We've seen in part A that we said that we had A union B still being equal to A. So in other words, uniting with B did not bring anything new to us. Okay, it just still came back as A. So B did not give us anything. So we saw that it means that the whole of B is inside A. Like everything in B is also in A. So B is a subset of B. If B is a subset of B, it means everything in B is also in A. Right? So that's why it never brought anything. Now we are seeing this second one, which says A minus B is equal to B minus A. So here what we are they're trying to test to say, do you know the properties of set operations? You remember we have 4 set operations. The difference, which is what we are doing with in part B, and then there is complement, then there's intersection, then there's union. Now for difference, there's one thing which I would really need you to know basically, or which you're supposed to know, is that if you are going to subtract 2 sets that are exactly the same, you are going to end up getting an empty set. So if 2 sets are exactly the same, then it means if I say A minus B, I'm going to get what? Empty set. If I say B minus A, still they're exactly the same, so I'd get empty set. And you can see that both of them are giving me an empty set. That means they would be equal to one another. Okay, their answers is the same. So this is what is happening here. Okay, so what it means is that A is equal to B. Okay, they are exactly the same. This is what you mean. Okay, so this is what we can say. So it's therefore we've learned from here that A is exactly the same as B. Now when we go to part C, they are saying A intersection B is equal to A. In other words, when you try to find things that are common between A and B, you're going to get the whole of set A. The whole of set A is common between A and B. Okay? So this means that A is a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, it means everything in A is also in B. That is why the intersection between A and B give us the whole of set A. Because the whole set A is also in B, so it's common. It's in A and in B. So that means that's what you'd get. So it means A is a subset of B. And this is what this means. And you'd be done with question 3. Now we go to question 2 and we solve and we solve and we solve until we finish them. Goodbye for now.